girl, Mrs. Garcia, coming back with another video. Today we are going to be making chicken enchiladas my way. So what you'll need is 3 chicken breasts. We are going to boil this. And today my little helper will be my niece Aaliyah. Say hi, mommy. We'll need 2 bay leaves. We have 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic salt, a tablespoon of lemon pepper, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. We'll be using this broth for our sauce for our enchiladas. We're also going to be adding a tablespoon of minced garlic. Here, go ahead and put it inside. Ooh, good job. Okay. So we are going to put the lid on our chicken and let this boil for about an hour to an hour and a half. Right, Aaliyah? Okay.
It's a lot of rice and beans.
Okay, our chicken is about halfway. Are you done? Well, come on, hurry. Okay, so our chicken is about halfway done cooking, so I'm gonna start frying, lightly frying our tortillas. We're not doing chicken macaroni. So we're going to add oil to our pan. I do have this on a medium heat. Medium heat. And we do have our corn tortillas. And we are going to lightly fry them. So it will be easier in the oil. It's easier to roll your enchiladas that way. You can throw them in the microwave, but I like to lightly fry them.
And fry them.
You like to fry them?
I want to fry tortillas.
You also want to make sure you have like a paper towel to soak up some of that oil from your tortillas. So just let them slightly fry for about 30 to 45 seconds. Depending on your family size, that's like if you're giving everybody 2 to 3 each, you go off how many tortillas like that you're going to be using. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half. Our chicken is done. We are going to remove it from our pot and start shredding it. Do not throw your broth away. We will be using this for our enchilada sauce.
I'm going to put you in the garbage.
What?
I'll put you in the garbage. Now, if you want to do this a quicker way, you can buy one of those rotisserie chickens from like Food for Less, or I think Winco has them too. And just shred that up. That way it can be quicker. Just make your sauce. But I like to boil my chicken because of the broth. It gives the sauce a nice flavor. So you just want to keep doing this until all your chicken is shredded. What you'll need is a family size can of cream of chicken, a can of diced green chilies, and you'll need the whole thing because we are going to be using the juice from it, and our broth. That has all the flavor. It has all the seasonings that we'll need. We're gonna mix this together until it becomes nice and saucy. Just cook this on a medium-low heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now that our sauce is complete, I am going to line some of that sauce onto our pan. Now let's roll. So for this, you need your tortillas that you already prepped. Any kind of cheese that you like. I am going to use a Colby Jack. So we're going to take our tortilla, back on the chicken, bunch of cheese, and take some of that sauce and drizzle it over. Okay, these are going to be some juice enchiladas, so we're not running out of dry stuff over here. So, just roll it and place it to the side. And you're just going to continue that until all your tortillas are done. With the rest of our sauce, we're just going to pour it on top of the enchilada. Just make sure each one is coated. Now with the rest of our cheese, we're going to sprinkle that on top. Now I did preheat my oven to 375. I am going to place these in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes until they are like nice and golden and bubbling. Okay everybody, our chicken enchiladas are done. I'm pairing mine with my Spanish rice. I do have a video for that down in the description below, along with some refried beans. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.